Hola familia, thank you so much for tuning back into my channel. If you want to see how I achieve this super cute, warm, red, shimmery eyeshadow look, then keep on watching because I've got all the details for you. So first, I'm going to be starting out with a fresh face, and towards like the middle part of this video I'm going to start talking whenever I start doing like my eyeshadow and stuff, but for right now I'm going to be using this very cheap and my absolute favorite little pencil that I get from the beauty supply store for like $2. Nice and cheap, which I love. But first I'm going to brush out my eyebrows with the other side of this eyeliner. I think it's an eyeliner. It's like an eyeliner slash eyebrow pencil. But as you all know, I have a cut on my eyebrows, so I have to just spend like a little bit more time than usual to fill it in all the way. But I don't fill in the edges of my eyebrow, just the outer parts, and then I blend it on in to get a nice natural look that does not look too bulky or too black. Something that's nice and natural, because I like a natural brow instead of like a bulky brow. So I just make sure to go ahead and blend that in all the way, just until it looks good enough to me. Then I'm going to be using my matte concealer, and this is Forever 21 brush. It's like a very fine brush that is able to get like precise lines. So I like to use this for my eyebrows because I want to get a precise outline whenever I am applying that concealer, and I just like to make sure that I really do get a good line underneath, because that's really what makes your eyebrows pop, especially when they have not been waxed in a while. So it's very important for me to do that for sure. So while I'm already here, I'm just going to go ahead and apply some concealer to my eye as well as my primer. I like to do this because it really does give me like an even base to start out with for my eyeshadow. So very simple. Just go ahead and apply that concealer all the way down to the bottom of like to where your eyelash is. Then I'm going to, at the top of my eyebrow, I'm just going to go ahead and outline that as well. And just blend it out, not all the way because I'm going to put foundation on, but just blend it out enough to where, you know, it looks decent. So then I'm just going to go ahead and make sure that my brows look very ombre-ish, just how I like it. And yeah, that's pretty much it for that part. So then I'm going to go in with this Too Faced Born This Way setting powder in a color medium. I'm going to be using the Nubian palette by Juvia. And I'm going to be taking this color right here just as a setter for my lid. I wish this palette had a mirror. Then I'm going to go in with this color right here with the same brush. Really pretty, right? So I'm thinking I want like a warm red. So I'm gonna go in with the Saharan by JUVIA'S palette, and I'm going to use this color right here. That's really pretty. Yeah, yeah, like that. Alright, so then I'm gonna switch back to the Nubian palette, and I'm going to use this pinky rose-ish color. Hold on. It's like a pinkish rose-ish color right here. I'm gonna use that on top of that red I just applied. Wow, that pigment is crazy. Wow. And I just dab that onto the brow, onto the lid. That is so beautiful. Yo, look at that. So I'm just going to go in with this Scandal Eyes Stay True Color 24-Hour Precision Microfiber Eyeliner. Just looks like this. And I almost forgot to do my brow up here. For up here, I'm just going to go in with this light shadow. This one right here. For my foundation, I'm just gonna go in with my Fenty Beauty. I am color 400. I'm just going to use my Fenty Beauty brush and get that on in. You literally feel like you're painting your face when you use this brush. Alright, so then I'm going to go in with my Real Techniques blending brush just to smooth everything out. I'm going to conceal with Ellarie Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Almond. I'm just going to go in my beauty blender and blend that on out. I'm going to go back in with this Born This Way setting powder and just set all of that on in. Brush all that excess off my face. For a contour shade, I'm going to go in with my Black Radiance palette and use this one right here. Alright, and then for my under eye, I'm going to go in with the Saharan palette, Saharan 2, and just go back in with this reddish color right here. I'm going to use this for my under eye. To just like bring all of this together, we're going to go in just with I guess this one. I'll just use this one right here, and then this is the Nubian palette. Brought it all together. Alright, so then lastly for my eyes, I'm gonna go in with the Great Lash Mascara by Maybelline. And then you all know my go-to, I'm going to be using my e.l.f. blush palette. This baby right here. Then as my highlight, I'm just going to go in with my ColourPop. This one's in the color KaePop. It's called Glo-Up. For my lip, I'm going to go in with the NYX lip liner in the color brown. Then I'm going to go in with the Ultra Glossy Lip by Ellarie in ColourPop. Alright family, so this is the final look of my makeup, and I absolutely think it's so adorable, so cute. Something nice and simple, but also like slaying, a little warm, but like with a red tint to it. So let me know what you all think of this look. I think it looks absolutely beautiful. I love this palette by Juvia. I feel like I just got these palettes and they're most definitely going to become like some staples in my routine. And please also make sure to subscribe to my channel down below, and also leave me a comment. And I have a tutorial on this top bun also on my channel, so make sure to watch that as well if you're interested in how I achieve a defined top bun. But thank you all so much for watching this video, and I really do appreciate it, and I'll see you all in my next one. Mwah.